greatest glitter shall we see? Whoosh! We're walking through our history.
Veera and Vivan's wonder travels the Great Pyramid. Veera, 10, and his brother Vivan, 6, dreamed of adventures in faraway lands. Their bedroom walls were covered in maps, and their shelves overflowed with stories their Patti, grandmother, had sent them. One afternoon, a new package arrived from her. Inside, nestled in soft cloth, was a small, heavy stone pyramid and a note tied with a red string. Vivan read the clue rhyme aloud. Where a king rests in a triangle home, under the desert sun, I wait for you to roam. Find the first wonder, tall and grand, built by many hands in a sandy land. A triangle home for a king? Veera wondered. In a sandy land? Thump! They landed softly on warm sand. The air was hot and dry. In front of them, under a brilliant blue sky, stood the biggest thing they had ever seen. It was a mountain made of giant, sun-bleached stones pointing straight up to the sky. Veera, as they walked closer, the pyramid seemed to grow with every step. It's made of millions of blocks, Vivan said, running his hand over a stone at the base. Each block was taller than he was. Veera saw thousands of people working together. Some were cutting stones, while others pulled them on huge wooden sleds. It was like a giant, busy anthill. Veera noticed how organized everyone was, each person knowing their job. This incredible structure was built without any modern machines. It was all people power and clever ideas. Think like a historian. How did they get the heavy stones to the top of the pyramid? Historians believe the Egyptians built long ramps of earth and brick. They would pull the stones up the ramps to the level they were working on. As the pyramid got taller, the ramps got longer and higher. Veera Design Lab make a sugar cube pyramid. You can be an engineer like the ancient Egyptians. Veera and Vivan saw a worker stop to rest in the shade. He looked very thirsty. Vivan remembered the water pouch Amma, mother, had packed for them. He ran over and offered it to the man. The man's tired face broke into a grateful smile. He took a sip and said, "Shukran," which means thank you, in Arabic, the language spoken in Egypt today. Veera's stone pyramid in Veera's pocket began to hum. It was time to go. They waved to their new friend and looked at the Great Pyramid one last time. It stood strong and silent, a testament to what people can build when they work together. That was amazing, Anna, Vivan said. Veera, as the golden light swirled around them again, a new rhyme appeared on their note, etched in glowing letters. Veera,